Hello everyone, welcome to What's for Dinner. My name is Gordo and this is my dad.
Hello everybody.
He was a chef and restaurant owner for more than 20 years and he's here to teach us how to cook simple Chinese dishes at home. So if you want to learn more Chinese recipes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Anyways, today we're making scrambled eggs with shrimp.
Yeah, hi, ciao Dan.
This is a super simple dish that you can easily make at home as long as you have plenty of eggs and some shrimp lying around. So to get started, you'll need 10 shrimp, 8 eggs, salt, pepper, chicken flavoring, some sugar, and some chives or green onion. Alright, to start on the prep, we'll just need to chop up 2 pieces of chives or green onion into small pieces. And for the eggs, just break all 8 eggs into a bowl. You can use the shells to compost or break it into the soil for your plants. Then add 1 small teaspoon of salt, 1 small teaspoon of chicken flavoring, 1 small teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And you're going to scramble everything together. Then add in your chives and mix it all together once more. For your shrimp, you can use the same marinade as the sauteed shrimp or the walnut shrimp, which I will link below in the description. Alright, let's get to cooking. To start on cooking, get a pot or a wok and add some water in there and bring it to a boil. Once it's at a boil, put your shrimp in there to cook for at least 3 minutes and then you can take it out. Once you have taken out your shrimp, dump out the water and clean your wok or pan and then turn on the gas to heat it up. Then put your cooked shrimp with your eggs, and once the pan is heated, add some oil in there and make sure to get the oil nice and hot so the eggs don't stick much to the pan. Now let's add your eggs and shrimp to the pan. Let the eggs cook for a few seconds and then start scrambling them all together for about 2 minutes and toss it around and it's done. Grab a plate and pour over this delicious dish. I hope you all enjoy.
Okay, let's eat.
Okay. Yeah.
Whoa.
Hey, what's for dinner?
Some scrambled eggs with shrimp. Do you want some?
Yeah, I love some.
Here you go.
Hi, ciao Dan.
Hi, Zada.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
The shrimp's so good. Tasty.
I like it.
Ooh, great job with the shrimp.
Look at them.
Can we try the eggs?
Super yummy. You like it?
Yeah, I love it. The green onions too? Such a good combination.
Yeah. Maybe next time we'll make green eggs in there.
Okay.
Alright,
Take it
well,
that way.
thank you everybody.
Okay,
everybody.
bye.
Bye.